Find the food, Donner. Find the food. Good boy. Yeah, you're a smart cookie. You'll figure it out. You gotta flip it the other way, maybe. Is there more in there? Can you get it? Nope. Yeah, you gotta put it over the hole. Oh, and there you go. Push it in, pull it out, and then the food's in the hole. Good boy. Yeah, you're a smart potato. Did you get it all? Nope. You gotta turn it the other way. Oh, it's still there. There you go. I think that's the last of it. There might be more in there. I heard something rattle. Oh, there it is. You found it. Yeah. And that's the last. I think he's gotten... Oh, I see one on the tray still. Right at the far side, and he's got it. Now if he swings that gate out of the way, there might be more there. And... Don't chew on the knobs, you Goomba. Connor, I can't help you. This is your mental... He is getting frustrated. Alright, Donner, hey. Here. That's the most help you're gonna get. I rotated it. You still gotta move the gate out of the way, though. You goof. He wants the food, but he doesn't want to move the gate. So he can slide it over the hole. That's the only food left on that tray. Is inside that one knob. I think he gave up on it. All right, Donner. There's still some right here, right? Move this. Donner, this. There you go. Now you got it. Well, you got to bring it back, too. There you go. Finally. You goofball. And you're done.